Here's a quick trick for speedrunning the SAT. Now, most of the time, you're going to want to read the question first, and then solve for the answer. However, the SAT is, well, special, and sometimes it makes more sense to read the answers first, and then solve for the question. Take this one, for example. Here we see a scatter plot with a line of best fit. But before even reading the question, I'm going to look at the answer choices first. Here I notice that they're all very similar, and just slope-intercept equations of a line. The only difference between them is whether the slope is positive or negative, or the y-intercept is positive or negative. Now, looking back up to the actual question, we see that they're asking for the equation of this line. Since the line is going up, the slope is positive, which means it can't be choice B or D. Furthermore, the y-intercept is also positive, so that eliminates choice C. And so now the only choice left is the correct answer, choice A. We could have figured this out the long way by picking 2 points on the line, 7, 15 and 3, 8, calculating the slope, which equals 7 over 4, or 1.75, and then plugging in a point to find the intercept of 11 over 4, or 2.75. This would give a final equation of our best fit line to be y equals 1.75x plus 2.75, which looks the most like answer choice A. However, this takes a lot of time, and honestly, you don't even need to calculate the exact slope or intercept, since the numbers in the answer choices are all the same. All you need to do is figure out what's positive and what's negative, which is a lot quicker to just do by eye. This happens a lot on the SAT, so it's important to use this skill to get through questions quick, especially the earlier ones, so that you have more time to solve the harder ones at the end. Take this other one, for example. Again, all the numbers for the slopes and intercepts are the same, so we don't need to calculate them. We just need to look at the sign of each, which is negative for the slope and positive for the y-intercept, so the answer must be choice B. So to sum things up, save some time and check the answers first before going to solve the question. If all the answer choices look basically the same, then just solve for the little thing that makes them different. For more tricks and tips, join our Discord. We're a nonprofit hosting free review sessions 3 times a week on Twitch, and you can win up to $200 in gift cards just for participating and answering questions.
Nice!